What's up you guys, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome to another haul. If you're new here, I'm Molly. I am a student at the University of Alabama. I'm a public relations major and a Pi Beta Phi here, and I'm so excited to bring you a huge clothing haul because I did some major damage this weekend. My best friend was actually here visiting from the University of Georgia, and we went on a huge shopping spree this weekend. And I got some really incredible spring and summer pieces from places like Urban Outfitters, Brandy Melville, Sephora, American Threads, and South Boutique. And I'm really excited to share with you guys everything that I got because it's literally so cute and I'm obsessed with everything. So let's jump right into the haul. I'm gonna start out with Urban Outfitters because I got a lot of things. I feel like it's been a very recent trend for me to be buying a lot from Urban. I just feel like they've stepped up their game tenfold and I already loved them before, so we're in some trouble. Also, everything that I mention will be linked in the description. Some of it I have not been able to find online, but I tried my best and everything that I could find is linked in the description. We're gonna start out with this adorable top that is so different for me. I don't have anything like this in my closet. It is this white crop top that has these sheer frilly balloon sleeves and then they cuff right here. It's just like a polka dotted sheer sleeves, but I thought this would be so cute for the summer with shorts or with jeans. Because of the sheer sleeves, I think it's just so girly and so feminine. Really cute for vacay somewhere, hopefully in the beach or something this summer. I'm praying to God everything is safe enough for that, but I'm really obsessed with this. It fits really flatteringly in like the bust and the waist and everything. It looks really cute on, and I'm just obsessed with this. The next thing that I got from Urban Outfitters, I don't have anything like this in my closet. The color, I mean, like literally the color. It is this orange tie front tee from Urban, and it literally just has these little notches, and then it's just like a tie that like stays put in the middle. I got this in a small and I'm literally obsessed with it. I think it'll be so fun to wear in the summer, and I don't own anything like this, so when I'm tan and just feeling the summer vibes, I think this will be a really perfect shirt for that. The next item that I got from Urban that I think is the last top I got from them is this green crew neck sweatshirt thing. I've had this on my, like, in my cart on Urban's app for forever, and they had it in the store, and so I was like, oh, I gotta get it. It's a sign. It's so cute. It's like this washed green, and then has a pocket in the front. It's just like a normal crew neck. And I actually got this in a medium just so it would fit a little bit more oversized. It's not very long, but I just kind of wanted it a bit baggier in like the arms and in the stomach area. I just felt like it'd be more comfortable that way, and it's super cute on. I also think this would be cute to like throw over a bathing suit over the summer, just kind of like a more comfy cover-up vibe, I guess. But I thought this was really cute, and I'm really glad I finally got my hands on this. The last thing that I got from Urban are these Levi 501 shorts. They're like the medium wash shorts, but they just have these rips on the front, which I thought was like perfectly placed, and then the back of them just looks like this. I got these in 24s and they fit so well. I just love the medium wash, and I feel like I only have a few pairs of shorts, like 2 or 3 pairs that I can wear consistently, dress them up or down, and they're comfortable. And I'm really glad I got another pair because I felt like I was just really lacking in that area and needed more for the summertime, because it's obviously getting warm here in Tuscaloosa. It's March though, and then I'll go home and it'll be summertime, so I just needed another pair of Levi's, and I really love them. So that is everything that I got from Urban Outfitters, and I'm gonna jump into what I got from Brandy Melville. So I got 3 things from Brandy Melville. The first thing that I got is this zip up large hoodie. It's navy, you can see it like that. The inside is just like the normal, their hoodies for some reason, they're like zip up hoodies, are just the perfect oversized amount, and I feel like it's so cute and so comfy. I have it in black, and I'm just like a blue girl. I love all shades of blue. I love navy especially, and so I was really excited to get this, and I think I'll wear this one equally as much because I feel like the black one I was almost over wearing, if that makes sense. The next thing that I got from Brandy Melville, I actually got this because we have an 80s themed date party, and I thought it would look cute over top of like a neon bra or a neon bodysuit and neon leggings, but I thought it'd be cute to wear otherwise, so I just like bought it because I feel like it'd be useful. It's this little cropped, like greenish blue crew neck, which on the website, to be honest, I thought this would be a little bit wider. So I think I'm gonna cut this to be a little bit more of a wide neck so I can kind of like slouch it down. But it's super cute, little cropped sweatshirt moment. And it's really comfortable as well. You guys will see it in the try on, but I do really love this. The last thing that I got from Brandy Melville is a very simple tank, but it's brown, and I'm just like obsessed with brown right now. It is this simple scoop neck brown tank. that I feel like I could wear out. I might honestly crop it just a little bit. I feel like it's a tad too long with high-waisted shorts, but I do really like it. I love the color and it's very flattering as well. But I just wanted this cute little basic tank. I feel like it'll look cute dressed up or down. A lot of different ways I can wear this, and Brandy Melville is always so affordable, which I love about them. So that is everything from Brandy Melville. I forgot to mention this in the intro, but I did get something from Lululemon that I saw it and I just knew this would be something that would sell out in 2 seconds if it came back in stock again, and I really just needed to snatch it up when I could. It is this hot pink Align tank top. Looks like this. I got this in a 4 and I'm just in love. This is such a cute color. I only have this in black and white, and I feel like this is just gonna be so fun to wear to class, to wear to work out, and I just like love the hot pink vibes. I think it's so cute and so different for me, but I'm gonna get so much use out of this because these tank tops are literally my favorite thing in the whole world. Next up, I got one thing from American Threads. And it's a really cute tank top. That is also the tie front top theme. I realize I have like that theme going in this haul. But it's just this white tank top. It looks like this, and then it just ties in the front. It's so stretchy, so soft, literally so flattering on, and you will see it in the try on per usual. But I'm just absolutely obsessed with this. I think this is gonna look so good with jeans or jean shorts in the summertime. It's a very effortless, cute look that I think I will utilize a lot. So from South Boutique, I actually got 2 accessories, which I normally don't buy accessories. I'm normally like a very plain person when it comes to that stuff, so I'm kind of freaking out about these things because I think you guys are really gonna like them. The first one is actually this ring that I've been wearing. It's just like a very simple gold ring, and I just feel like I love rings. I feel like I need to have like a good collection of them that I can just wear on a daily basis. So I did get that one, and it's super cute. But then the other thing that I saw this and I kind of thought to myself, this is the perfect thing that is out of my comfort zone but is still my style, and it is this Gucci scarf headband. And I think when I saw this, I kind of cried and went to heaven a little bit. I've never had anything like this in my life, and I've never wanted to wear a headband in my life, but this has made me want to wear a headband. Hold on, I'll put it on. This is not gonna be like my hair styled and cute, but it's so cute. Like honestly, this headband is incredible, and I think I'm gonna get so much use out of this over the summer. You know, like when you don't want your hair in your face and it's so hot outside, I think this is gonna be such a useful piece, and it really just helps like dress up a really simple look, which I think is incredible, and I'm literally so obsessed with this. I can't even begin to tell you. So next up, we have what I got from Sephora. I just picked 3 things up from there. The first thing that I got is the Sephora 79 Pro Brush Contour Brush, and this is what it looks like. It's just like super basic, but I felt like I needed one for blush and or bronzer. I think I needed one that I could use both ways because it kind of goes along with the other 2 things that I got. So then I also picked up the NARS blush that I feel like I needed a blush because I watched Madison Beer's Vogue video tutorial thing, and I was like, I don't use blush, and I really think I need to after seeing how beautiful her makeup looked. So I picked this one up, and I also ordered another one, which I'll explain in a second. The last thing that I got from Sephora is the Hollywood Contour Wand for Easy Contour from Charlotte Tilbury. And I got the medium shade, and then I also ordered the blush, the cream blush, because I wanted a powder and a cream because Madison Beer told me to, so I will do whatever she tells me to do. And so I picked this up, and it's really easy to apply, very effortless, and I was just really anxious to pick this up for a long time, so I'm really glad that I finally did. Okay, y'all, you know I can't end a haul off without some sorority apparel, so that is what I'm about to do. The first thing that I got is actually what I'm wearing. It says Rammer Jammer, which is like our Alabama, like I don't know if it's like our slogan or what, but it says that on the front. And then on the back, it has all of our national championships, and it says, hold up, wait a minute, y'all thought we were finished. And then it has Alabama football, and it has all of our national championships swirled around the middle of the sweatshirt. And I did get this in an extra large because I always get my sweatshirts oversized. But I'm absolutely obsessed with this. It's from J&J, it's so comfy, and always gotta rep the natty gear, so love that. And my last thing is a Pi Phi sorority apparel piece, and it is from a girl, Tees by Taylor, who has licensed sorority apparel, and she made the cutest Pi Phi sweatshirt I have ever had in my entire life. Like literally, I'm obsessed with this. I got this in an extra large as well, but the front just says Pi Beta Phi Alabama, you know, the vibes, the basic vibes. But then the back is where the party is at, guys. The back says, welcome to the dream house, Pi Beta Phi Alabama, and it has our house on it. I'm in love with this. Like, you guys, I am obsessed with this sweatshirt. It's such good quality, so cute. I love our beautiful house so much, so the fact that I have it on a sweatshirt makes me so happy, and I'm literally gonna wear this all the time. It's gonna be like overkill, but I don't care because it's beautiful and I love her. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this huge spring and summer clothing haul. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and be sure to follow me on all my social media, all of which are linked in the description down below so you guys can stay up to date on my life. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time.